Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Holistic Education. Today we did an interesting activity. The topic was artifacts, which helped them to understand historical context, economical system, and archaeological awareness. Exploration in making the study ancient civilization came alive in the classroom. Let's see.
Rupees and some coins. I have won 5 rupees, like 10 rupees, 20 rupees, same only like this. And two 10 rupees coin different. One 20 rupees and one 50 rupees. Two coins are one 2 rupees coins and one 50 paisa. पहले के जमाने में ना बहुत आवाज आने वाली कोई सर्विस टाइप की coins होते थे एकदम लेबल नहीं होते थे इस टाइप के और अभी के जमाने में पूरे लेबल है उसमें इस टाइप के इंडियन मैप भी नहीं होते थे और इसमें ये जो गैप रहता है इसमें हमें कुछ चक्र दिखते हैं या फिर कुछ भी दिख सकता है हमें वो इंडिया के ऊपर जैसे नेशनल एल्बम and my parents. My name is Ashmi. This 500 note made in 2013 and it is banned in 2019. It is ancient note. Thank you. Performing the old coin activity. I brought 50 paisa coin. This is one of the old coin of India. Before 10 years, this coin were mostly used